In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Clipchamp 5 minutes. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In at the top right. On the login screen, choose Continue with Microsoft, then select your Microsoft account to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on the Clipchamp home dashboard. From here, click Create a new video to open a fresh editing project. This gives you a clean timeline and canvas to work with. If you're planning a specific output size, you can set your aspect ratio later, but for now, let's bring in the footage we want to edit. Click Import Media and add the video or image that has the black background you want to remove. You can browse your computer or drag files straight into the media panel. When the file is ready, drag it down to the timeline. If you're layering it over another clip or background, make sure the clip with the black background sits on the track above anything you want to see behind it. The order of tracks matters. Top layers appear in front. Now let's remove the black background. First, select the clip on the timeline so it's highlighted. On the right-hand side, open Adjust Colors. This panel gives you quick controls over the look of your clip, and it's also where you'll find blending options. Scroll to Blend Mode and open the drop-down. Choose Lighten. This blend mode compares your clip to what's beneath it and keeps the lighter pixels while dropping the darkest ones. Because pure black is the darkest value, it effectively disappears, revealing whatever is on the layer below. You should see the black background vanish in the preview, leaving your subject over your project's background or the canvas. If some dark edges remain, it usually means the background wasn't perfectly black. In that same Adjust Colors panel, try nudging brightness, exposure, or contrast slightly to push the background closer to true black so Lighten can remove it more cleanly. Small tweaks go a long way. Watch the preview as you adjust. Also, ensure the correct layer is selected. If the wrong clip is highlighted, the blend mode won't affect the one you expect. Play back the timeline to confirm everything looks natural. You can continue editing, add overlays or titles, and refine color as needed. That's it. By using the Lighten blend mode in Clipchamp, you can quickly remove a black background without complicated masking or green screen tools.